Hello, welcome to JD Monetization Vlog. Today I will be showing you how to fix ads issues on your channel. This is one of my YouTube channel. It got monetized. Unfortunately, ads stopped playing on all of my videos. Today I will be showing you how I fixed this issue in few minutes and ads started showing on all of my videos again. Please, if you are new to JD Monetization Vlog, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos. I only upload relevant videos. Now let's get into the video. You can see the list of the videos I have here. All of these videos, the monetization is on. This is one thing you should consider when this happens is check your videos to see if the monetization is fully on. You can see that the monetization of this video is on. Let's check the video on YouTube and see if an ad will display on it or not. Now when you look at this video, you will see that it played without an ad displaying on it. Despite the fact that the monetization is on, this happens to all of the videos I have right here. All of them, none of the videos displays ads. Now, when you have this issue on your channel, do not panic about it. It is very easy to fix it. Remember, this is JD Monetization Vlog. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my updates. You can see this video started again without an ad displaying on it. Right now, I will show you the step on how to fix this particular issue. Go to your studio and stream a live video. This is the simple step to fix this issue. You stream a live video from your channel. Please make sure your monetization is on for the live streaming. After setting your description and your title, then you can access the monetization of the live streaming. Make sure you turn it on. This is what you must do. Do not stream while the monetization of the live stream is off. Turn on the monetization of the live stream, then start your live video. I streamed on this channel for like 30 minutes. After streaming, the ads started showing on mobile device, but on desktop it wasn't showing instantly. So I streamed a little bit and ended the live streaming. After 2 hours, ads restored on my channel again. Everything started working normally. So this is how to fix this issue. Do a live streaming on your channel and turn on the monetization of that live streaming. After that, wait few hours. Everything will start working definitely fine again. This issue most times happens due to invalid traffic on your channel or some technical issues that you might not be aware of. But when this happens, do not just keep silent. If you allow it on its own, it might stay like 5 to 7 days before it starts working again. But this is a simple step to fix it instantly. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let us know at the comment section if this issue was solved on your channel. Let us know at the comment section if this really helped you or not. This has worked for many channels and this is how they have always faced their issue. Try it and good luck to you. Thank you.